start the process of this, I'm going to replace the CV axles on that thing. It ain't too bad. Alright, so digging down in here, your brake pads are good. Just wanted to note that. Yeah, everything looks good with the exception of the CV axle back in there popping. Okay, got this side put back together, and of course I got all the anti-seize on the little bolts and even the little plastic thing. I decided to take it off instead of disconnecting it. Cleaned it off too. Works on a Hall effect sensor. It's a magnetic base, so it gets some debris on it, and that might help your StabiliTrak issue. Brake pads is good. Gets a little retaining clips somewhere up in there. Went ahead, greased your slide pins. Time to put the tire on there, then I need to put some anti-seize. But anyway, got to torque that thing down. Be done on this side. There on the splines. There we go. All right. Back it up. Do it again. 111. There we go. Whatever that stuff shows.